Hey y'all, welcome to Black Mommas Do Science. This is a YouTube channel I have with my son, and we will be exploring all the fun science experiments you can think of. Today, we will be powering on a light bulb with a lemon. So, get ready. All right, mamas, so I hope you are excited to get started with this experiment. It shouldn't take you any longer than 30 minutes. And so get those ingredients out. The first ingredient you will need is 4 lemons. I didn't have 4 lemons because the grocery store ran out, but you know what? We are going to improvise, and I had some limes, so you can use limes too if you have those instead of lemons. Then you will also need 4 pennies, and then you also need 4 nails. Make sure they're galvanized nails. Usually they're like that anyways, but just make sure that they are. And then you will also need these LED lights. I found them on Amazon. You can definitely order those, and I'll put the link down below. And then you will also need 5 alligator clip wires. So those are things I didn't have in my house either, but you can get those on Amazon and they are down below. All right, mamas, okay, we are ready to go now that we have all of our materials and ingredients. So what you'll need to do first is go ahead, roll your lemons, make sure all the juices are flowing in them first, because we are going to need that lemon or that lime juice. And you need to cut some slits into each side, or into each lemon. So make sure they're about the size of your penny, and then what you'll do is stick your penny inside of each lemon or lime, and then on the other side you will stick your nail into each lemon or lime, but make sure that the pennies don't touch the nails. So just make sure that they are like completely on the opposite side of each other. And then once you have done that, what you will do is you will use your alligator clips. So you are going to daisy chain your alligator clips. So one alligator clip will be attached to a nail in one lemon, and then attach the other side of that alligator clip to the penny in another lemon. And so you are going to do that all the way around until you end up with the 2 ends of alligator clips. Once you have those, you will use your LED lights. So the first time I did this, they're really close together. So what you'll need to do is kind of pull them apart so that you can attach your empty alligator clips to each side. So then the magic happens. Turn your lights off and you should see your light bulb or your LED light glow. But if it doesn't, don't freak out, don't worry. Make sure everything's attached, and then also switch the sides of the alligator clips. I had to do that a couple of times just to make sure, but it did work every single time that if I had to switch it. So if you have everything connected and you've switched it, it should turn on. So leave us a comment below if you got it to turn on. What color LED lights did your kids like? Dax is obsessed with the color red. So he just kept saying red, red. So he loved when we turned on our red LED light. Hey y'all, this is your first time with Black Mommas Do Science, or maybe it's not. Either way, I hope you're enjoying it, and don't forget to leave a comment and share this video with a mama who would like to do a science experiment with their kid. All right, mamas, you have made it to the science behind our lemon-powered light. So, I bet you're wondering, like, why did it even light up? Like, who knew lemons could light up a light? I definitely didn't know that. Well, all batteries, the batteries that you have in your drawer, are all made up of 2 different kinds of metals, and these metals are suspended in acidic solution. And the way that they're powered is by the transfer of electrons from one metal to another in this acidic solution. So in our experiment today, our 2 metals that we used are our galvanized nail, which is made out of zinc, and then our penny, which is made out of copper. So our electrons are transferred from our zinc nail to our copper penny through the acidic lemon juices, or lime if you're like us, and that ended up creating a current that flows throughout each lemon into our LED light, which then made it glow or turn on. So if you ever wondered how batteries worked, or now you can even make your own battery powered light bulb, you have found it here, and we are so glad that you enjoyed this experiment as much as us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye y'all.